Hey everyone, this is Lomi popping in with a quick update on yet more art supplies I had come in. I really liked the Arteza paints I got before, and had put together a short list of stuff I intended to buy to keep trying things out. I'm going to be making a new batch of eyes soon, and thought the chunky glitters and metallic paints would be cool to use for them. Interestingly enough, right around the time I decided this, Arteza offered to let me have them in exchange for a review. And being the totally broke artist that I am, I thought, sure, why not? So after this box, the last thing on my list to try will be their watercolors. At least until they start offering chalk pastels. So this time what I got was the set of 12 metallic acrylics. I love metallics and I actually use them a lot, but in the past I've mostly used them from Liquitex and Martha Stewart's Craft acrylic line, which is surprisingly really high quality. Hopefully these will match up. I got all three of the premium glitters. There's a set that has silver and gold, diamond and fancy, a set of blues with colors named Mermaid Rain and Electra, and my favorite, a purpley color and white named Fairy Dust and Moonstone. I also got a pack of their miniature brushes, which are the smallest paintbrush size they have. Working with dolls, pretty much everything I do is tiny, and I was hoping some of these might work for doing some parts of face-ups. A few of them look like they might be fine enough of a tip to do lashes, so I guess we'll wait and see how that turns out after I get Robin cleaned off for another face-up experiment. So each of the glitters comes in a little plastic container with a screw-on lid, nice and secure so that it's hard to accidentally pop them open. They shipped in plastic zipper bags, which I'm less thrilled about because the recycling center where I live now doesn't take these. But I guess it's a good idea to ship them that way in case one of the plastic containers gets broken. You'd have glitter everywhere. I'll just have to hang on to the bags and make sure I use them for something else. The little boxes they come in are super sturdy and a little hard to open, but the plastic jars are nice. I do like that the clear part is the top, so you can actually see what's in there. The gold and silver are really big and chunky. I think I prefer the holographic look of the silvery one, but they're the same shape and style. The flakes are hexagons of different sizes, with the biggest piece being what looks like something around 8mm, which is huge, but will be nice for doing larger doll eyes. I didn't notice any in the gold or silver jars, but in the Mermaid Rain color, which is a mix of pink and blue that looks a lot like one of my friend's hair, it has little star shapes in it as well. I really like the stars, and kind of wish they were in all the colors, but it seems like the gold and silver are the only ones that lack them. The Moonstone and Fairy Dust colors are definitely the ones I like best. They're a mix of much finer glitter than the other four colors, though. Still with big chunks and star shapes, but they do have really fine glitter in there too. That's great for me and what I like, but it might not work as well for people who are using the glitters for resin charms or shakers or things like that. Ooh, look, I do see a star in the gold. Just one though, and I don't see any in the silver. I guess they don't have as many stars in these mixes as the other colors. The others are a little more eclectic, I guess, while gold and silver are pretty traditional colors. So I suppose it makes sense. The Fairy Dust color is absolutely beautiful, and I'm really excited to use this one to make a pair of eyes. Now that I look at it up close, it has some dark pink colored bits in there with the purples. And the moonstone mix looks like opals, which I love. The metallic paints are pretty good sized tubes, the same as the other acrylics. There are 2 golds. They actually look to be mostly warm colors. There's only one cool color in the top tray. The bottom has 1 blue, 1 green, 1 purple, and then the brown and white, so definitely mostly warm tones. I've never seen a metallic brown anywhere before, so that's going to be interesting to use. I'll probably give that a try for Laylee's new eyes, since I've been working on her. But that's it for this haul. I just wanted to take a second to share what I'm going to be using in coming projects. And if there's anything in particular you want to see me use these for, let me know in the comments, because new ideas are always a good thing. See you again soon. Bye.